Hello teacher, hello everyone, my name is John. Today I'm very happy to present my direction. So now I start here to Watsila Primary School. I start here, go straight on the road to Kapung Kliang about 10 meters. Turn left, okay, turn left to Watsila Primary School. The next, Soban Sela Hakuda. Okay, now I start here. I start here to gas station. I go straight on the road to Kapung Kliang about 300 meters. Turn right to gas station. Yes. Now I start here to One Makara Primary School. I go straight on the road to Kapung Kliang about 1 kilometer. Turn right to One Makara Primary School. Yes, I start here to Bangchong Market. I go straight on the road to Kapung Kliang about 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. Turn right. I cross Bangchong Street to Bangchong Market. Okay, everyone, continue. Now I start here to the primary school. I go straight on the road to Kapung Kliang. Turn right. Go straight Bangchong Street about 1 kilometer. Turn left to Trapiang Primary School. Yes. Okay. Continue. Now I start here to Runkandal Primary School. I go straight on the road to Kapung Kliang. Turn left. Go straight Bangchong Street about 1 kilometer. Turn left to Runkandal Primary School. Yes. Okay, now continue. I start here to clothing store. I go straight on the road to Kapung Kliang, turn right, go straight Bangchong Street about 1 kilometer, cross the four-way intersection, turn left to clothing store. The next two phone shop opposite Nhai Market. Yes. Okay. Now I start here to police station. I go straight on the road to Kapung Kliang, turn left, go straight Bangchong Street about 1.5 kilometer, cross the four-way intersection, turn right to police station. Yes. Okay. Now I start here to Sonikum District School. I go straight on the road to Kapung Kliang. I cross the four-way intersection about 6 kilometers. Turn left. I go straight National Cross number 6 to Trachai Market. From Trachai Market to Sonikum District School about 5 kilometers. Turn right to Sonikum District School. Opposite Sonikum District Referral Hospital. Yes. Okay, now together I shall continue. I start here to District Education Office. I go straight on to Kapung Kliang. Turn left. Go straight Bangchong Street about 1 kilometer. Turn right. Okay, go straight Sajak Street about 3 kilometers. Turn right to District Education Office. The next to Kumru Srok Primary School. Yes. Okay, now I start here to Sonikum District Referral Hospital. I go straight Bangchong Street, turn left, go straight Bangchong Street about 1 kilometer, turn right. I go straight Sajak Street about 3 kilometers. Turn left. Okay, across National Road number 6. I go straight about 20 meters. Turn left. I can see Subikum District Referral Hospital. The next to Chip. Yes. Okay, continue. Now I start here to 7 Makra Primary School. I go straight on the road to Kapong Kliang about 4 kilometers. Turn left. Across National Road number 6. Turn right to 7 Makra Primary School. The next Northgate Market. Yes. Okay. Now I start here to Northgate Primary School. I go straight on the road to Kapong Kliang. I cross the four-way intersection. Go straight on the road to Kapong Kliang to Northgate Market. From here to Northgate Market about 5 kilometers. Then and turn right, go straight National Road number 6 about 700 meters. Turn left to Northgate Primary School. The next to Cafe. Yes, now I have finished my presentation about my direction. Thank you for watching my short video. See you later. Bye bye.